Hello guys, welcome to my second video. In this video I'm going to teach you what exactly Particle Photon is. So basically Particle Photon is an IoT Wi-Fi module which is made by Particle, and it was formerly known as the Spark Core. You can easily buy this anywhere on Amazon.com. It's currently not available on Amazon.in if you're staying in India, but it's okay, you just have to pay some delivery charge. So this is the beauty. And let's see what things they have included in the box. Oh, see, we have a branding sticker. Let's keep this aside for a while. Even the Particle Photon. Let's see what's there in the box. So they've written a website, particle.io/start, and on this website you get to know how you configure your Particle Photon, and that's the only thing in the box. So let's get over with the box and let's come to the board. This is the board. They've included a warranty card, written some warranty stuff, and on the back side they've written some clever lines.
What a file.
And this is the board which I'm going to use for home automation. This is the IoT board. This is complete. This is the complete package of what we know as IoT. So this has about 7 digital pins, digital input-output pins, and 6 analog input-output pins. It works on a micro USB cable powered by a 1 amp 5 volt DC supply, which you get on most of the mobile chargers. It has an inbuilt Wi-Fi module which gets connected to your home Wi-Fi after you configure it with the mobile app. So yes guys, that was it. That was the unboxing of the Particle Photon. And stay tuned. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel to get more updates about how do we use the Particle Photon for complete home automation. And in the next video I'll be telling you how to configure our Particle Photon and connect it to our Wi-Fi network using the phone app. Alright then guys, see you next time, and please subscribe to my channel to get more updates about my experience with the Particle Photon, and let's step forward to a world wherein everything is automated. Thank you.